People always talk about my attitude. I just tell them go and check my revenue. Only sign my checks with a W.
What is up, you guys? Happy Friday. It is currently January 25th, I think. As you guys saw earlier, I was just like filming and editing and like working and stuff, but it's later on in the evening. It's around like 4 something. I'm dressed, about to head out to link up with my homie Drew. I haven't seen him in a minute, so we're gonna hit the city and, you know, get like dinner and happy hour and like drinks and stuff like that. I'm running late as per usual, but I had to break down the fit. The cap is from my old brand Indecisive. The coat is from Forever 21. This really nice, like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like this almost like baby blue like corduroy shirt. This is from A Day's March. Tonight's pant of choice has been my go-to lately. It is just these Zara charcoal wash denim jeans, and then tonight's shoe of choice is the Nike M2K Technos. And yeah, I really like this whole like different textures I have going on. I got like wool from the coat, some like corduroy from the shirt, and then denim from the pants. Like I said, about to head to the city and just link up with the homie, so I'll see you guys when we get there.
This is great. I want to see one of y'all run up a beat. Yeah, 2 overseas, we flying at 7 and at the beach.
So we just got to be here in Seattle. I don't know if you can hear me because it's kind of loud, but Drew and Leo are behind the camera, and we just got our food. So I don't even know what I got, but I got this like something. So this is like what I got, and then we both got like short ribs and calamari and some more short ribs and stuff like that. So we're gonna eat and catch up, and I'll check in with you guys after.
Yeah, stop wasting my time trying to get mine, get out the way, move, trying to get paid, bands on the way, just bought a safe, ooh, crib with a gate, I need me a lake, but that's on the way, ooh, yeah, that's on the way, yeah, that's on the way.
Thanks for dinner, bro. This is Leo. Yeah, so we just finished eating dinner. Obviously it doesn't look as nice now, but yeah, it was good catching up. What is up, you guys? Happy Sunday. It is currently, I think it's like January 27th. All I did this morning was hit the gym with my homie, and then I came back. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I was kind of like in the process of DIYing this Louis Vuitton inspired bag. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm gonna throw up all of the Instagram stories from before. But if you did see it, just like skip through it and then come back. You guys, so we just stepped out of Walmart and I found like this kind of like hard trunk, but it's for school supplies. But if any of you guys have seen like the off-white Louis Vuitton men's monogram trunk, this is very reminiscent of it. The crazy thing was like this vault or whatever it's called, this was literally only $9, but the thing is like it doesn't have a strap, so I'm thinking about like DIYing something to kind of get my own strap going. But I'm kind of gassed that I found this on. I'm gonna throw up a next picture on the next Instagram story so you guys can kind of understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to include like this DIY in my next vlog, and I'll go ahead and do that for you guys because I'm actually like low-key hype I found this. So also, my bad, I know I said off-white Louis Vuitton trunk. It's not off-white Louis Vuitton trunk, it's Louis Vuitton by Virgil. That's what I meant to say, but yeah, you guys get the point. But for those of you guys who are like, this kid doesn't even know what he's fucking talking about. Hey you guys, we're getting really serious out here. So we just pulled up to Home Depot, and I'm picking out like the kind of hardware that I want to use because they have like a bunch of options, and I think we're on the right track here. So instead of vlogging it, I'm just gonna show you guys on Instagram story, so I'll let you know how it goes. All right folks, I think we found it. So this is like the D-rings that I found, or my sister actually found it. So we need to screw these onto here, and it's perfect because the width of these is gonna sit perfectly right here. So I need to spray paint these, and I need to get a strap. All right you guys, so help me pick out a strap. So option 1 is this leather material. The hardware is gold, and then I don't know if you can see, but the hardware is actually shaped in like a lock. I kind of like this and I kind of don't, and here's why. So I like this strap because I like the fact that it's leather, and it's an adjustable strap as well, and I'm really feeling like the lock kind of hardware. But the only thing I don't like is the gold, so I'm gonna have to spray paint that. So this is option 1. Now this is option 2. So this is a nylon strap. It's the same thickness and it's adjustable as well. But these, the hardware is again gunmetal, and it's kind of like, instead of a lock, it's like a loop. So yeah, nonetheless, I feel like they're both really good options. So just let me know, do you guys like the nylon one, or do you guys like the leather one? And I'll go ahead and spray paint the hardware like a nice matte black. So let me know which one I should get. And yeah. Okay guys, so like I was saying, this is what the trunk looks like, right? And it's kind of like this hard plastic type of thing. So we have the spray paint right here. For anyone who wants to know which one to use, it's just this one. Just like screenshot this. So we're gonna use this, and then here are the D-rings that my sister found at Home Depot. So it looks like this. I need to apply another coat, but basically this is gonna go on here like this, and then we're gonna use these screws. I'm gonna spray paint this. So we're gonna put the screw through the D-ring, and then inside of the bag like this, or in the trunk I should say, the screw will go through right here. So we're gonna use this nut to hold the screw in place, so like the strap doesn't move around and stuff. But like I said, you see how these are silver? I'll go outside right now and spray paint them. The last thing that I was waiting on was the straps, and they finally came in. It took a while because it came from like China. So yeah, all the tools are here. I did start this process on Instagram story, but I figure, you know, like I'm already vlogging, so might as well do it on the vlog. I'm gonna do the bag, and then hopefully it turns out good. And then later on in the afternoon, we're gonna go to my little cousin's birthday party, so you guys can like say hi to the fam and all that stuff. Before we get into the bag, of course, I had to break down the outfit. So at the top, we just have an old indecisive cap in the navy blue colorway. And then I was kind of going for like a very tonal outfit today, as you guys can see. So this turtleneck is from A Day's March in this navy blue color, and then the pants is one that I haven't worn in a while. It's these kind of like slim fit trousers from Uniqlo in again navy blue. And at the bottom we just have everyone's favorite Nike Air Monarchs. And yeah, it's fairly cold outside, so I'm probably gonna slap on like one of these coats. But yeah, let's head downstairs and make this bag, and hopefully it turns out nice. Okay, so we got all the supplies. So as you guys remember, I threw up some clips from before, but we spray painted like all of these, and you can just get this at Home Depot and stuff. So you need this, and then you need this thing, this type of screw, but it needs to be like this one. So, and then we marked it. So we got one right here, mark it right here, and then the other side right here. And then Reggie's gonna drill a hole like where I marked it with all of that. They can't use it with a regular screwdriver, right? Yeah, so you need something like this. So ask your dad or your brother-in-law or some shit. So we'll see how this goes. And then I have the strap right here. Okay, so change of plans. As you guys can see, like this is the box, right? And originally what I had done was I put 2 dots on the same, because it opens like this. It opens like this. I put 1 dot here and 1 dot here. But Reggie was saying, and my sister was saying, like for balance, we should put 1 dot here and 1 dot here. So when you open it, it kind of like holds the bag in place. So that's kind of what we're gonna do. And like now thinking about it, I think you guys should do that too, because if you were to just leave the dots on this 2 sides, when it's against your body with the strap, the bag will be leaning forward because it's not like balanced and stuff, you know? We're gonna move this dot to this side. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, he's about to drill this shit.
That's one.
Let me see.
It'll look cleaner when you put the screw in.
Okay. All right, fam, this is the other side. It's getting real close. Yeah. All right, team, so we're taking that like hook thing that I was showing you. Yep, just like that.
Oh, fits perfectly.
Then you take this nut and we're gonna put it through. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. So the screw went through the bag, so now we're tightening it so it'll hold everything in place. Now the last part is we're gonna tighten these screws and we're gonna put the strap on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on body. I'm genuinely excited to see how this bag came out.
I just want to see it on myself.
Okay, so Reggie just put on the strap and he secured all the stuff.
Oh,
Crazy! Give it to me, give it to me. Just keep it rolling, just keep it rolling.
Here.
Okay, so obviously I would take off these stickers here, but yeah, so this is what the bag looks like, guys. because I like my bags to sit like just like right here. I mean, come on, can you fucking look at this shit? What are we saying? And then it'll open like this. So the trunk opens like this, and then you just, it's really just more for looks. There's really no functionality to it. But I mean, if you have like your phone, your keys, your wallet, you could kind of just put it like this and then hold it like this. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I say it's a success. So this is what the bag looks like on body, as you guys can see. This is like crazy. I've been really wanting like a trunk style bag like this. I figured why not just kind of like make it. This is crazy. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. Get that. What is up, you guys? Happy Tuesday. It is currently January 29th. I'm gonna head into the city to link with my homie Nils. You guys remember him. He was in like a couple of my vlogs. It's been a minute since I've seen him and stuff like that. So we're gonna hit up a couple stores because for one, I want to try on these shoes that I've been wanting. I'm not gonna get them today, but I just want to like, you know, go in store and try them on like on foot to see like what my size is and stuff like that. It's fairly early on in the afternoon. It's like 4:30-ish, but it takes me forever to get into the city. So I figured like, you know, bring the camera along and just, you know, vlog. But as always, gonna break down the fit. So at the top, we just have my old brand Indecisive Clothes cap. The turtleneck on the inside is one I've been legit living in lately. This is from Uniqlo, and this is actually on sale right now. So I'm gonna link it down below. Definitely like check it out because it's a good steal for sure. This overshirt right here, which is also something that's new and I've been loving lately, is from A Day's March. My pants are just like my go-to trusty I Love Ugly ones. And then on foot for today, we just have the Nike ACW Vomeros. A little new for me, I'm wearing a ring. It's from a local company here in Washington. Be sure to leave this ring linked in the description box below, along with like everything else mentioned and the people who I was with in this vlog. So yeah, there's a ton of good stuff down there, so check it out. Check the shoes and then get some drinks and some dinner. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Just pulled up to Total Kyle. I picked up Nils, so he's behind the camera. As I've been watching the vlogs, you would know like I just picked up this one, but I really want like the trap just because I don't have like an all black shoe, and I honestly like this silhouette a little bit better. Like I kind of wish I got this one instead of this one. So I'm gonna try it on, so we'll see how it goes. So obviously I wouldn't wear it. Like I wouldn't wear it with these pants because it's a little, the pants itself is a little too tight. But dude, these are so much more comfortable than those triple S's. Yeah, so they fit like super similar to the triple S's. Which let me know like in the comments down below. Do you think I should get them? And like I said, I wouldn't wear like the pants that I have on right now because it doesn't match.
Sneak this in me, talking shit about me. Already got what you needed, I guess. It's killing me. You say.
Looks like I'm not the only one who's trying to shop today. So we're here in Seattle. Got the homie Nils right here. Say what's up, bro. What's up? Yeah, so I went to go try on those shoes, and kind of one of those things that you don't need for, like I don't need those shoes at all, but just like a want type of thing. So we'll see how that goes. And we stopped by GameStop to peep like a game for Nils, but they didn't have it, right? No. Yeah, unfortunately not. So we both took like mini L's, but that's about to change because we're gonna head to Rachel's ginger beer. It's kind of like, we go there like all the time, eh?
It's our spot, yeah.
Yeah, it's literally like our spot. Super aesthetic on the inside, and the drinks are good too, so I'll show you guys when we get there. here with the homie Nils. So he got.
It's called the porch swing.
Yeah. So what is it? What is it?
So it's got the ginger beer, classic flavor, gin, and Aperol.
Dang, yeah, so that's what it looks like. I tried it, it's pretty refreshing. And then I just got like slushy shit. Like if you guys can see like all the way over there, they have like all these flavors. I got the pineapple punch. All right, food is here. We got like some mac and cheese and some chicken fingers. So we're about to eat, so let's get it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just break down what happened right now. So Dick's Burgers is like this like iconic burger spot here in Seattle. They were doing this. We had no idea. We were just hungry, right? Like you were just hungry, right? After
True, yeah.
Yeah, so we were both just hungry after drinks. So we were like, let's go get Dick's because it's like a go-to spot, right? We pull up. There's all these people, and we're just like, what the hell? And then come to find out they're celebrating their anniversary. So all the cheeseburgers and hamburgers were 19 cents. It was one per person. We stood in that line for like a good like 30 minutes, you'd say?
It's more like an hour.
Yeah. Because you would think, right? You're standing in line for a 19 cents meal. So one would think, right? This motherfucker right here, he goes and doesn't get the 19 cents deal. He gets a regular, like, not regular, he gets like the fancy deluxe burger. And that was, how much was that? Like $3?
Yeah, don't talk about it.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
it wasn't 19 cents. But yeah, so we're gonna head back to his space and just chill. So I'll see you guys later. So we just pulled up to Nils' crib, and look at what this guy has. He has the same like mirror as me in the one I always check in with you guys. And the food is over there. Watch like The Office, because apparently Nils says it's like a good movie or like a good show, so give it a shot.
People always talk about my attitude. I just tell them go and check my revenue. Only sign my checks with a W. New crib for my